All right, for anyone who's interested, I had this really bad hair sticking out for days and days. I just couldn't flatten it. It just kept going moing. And so I decided today I have to get it cut. I can't stand it. So we were heading towards a place called Low, and I think we looked online and it was going to be $37.50 just to get this bit cut off and a little bit tidied up and whatever. And our friend Betty, who owns a clothing shop on the corner where we're staying, we see her every time we come here, she said, "Oh, where are you going? Are you going for lunch?" And I said, "No, I'm going to get a haircut." And she said, "Where are you going?" I said, I'm going to Glow. And she went, no, go to Matahari. So we went to Matahari, which was right across the road, hadn't even noticed it before. And there's this little bent over old lady and with a mask on who didn't speak a word of English. I thought, oh, this could be dodgy. And she cut and cut and cut, and she did all the back, and she kept showing me the back. It was so funny. And that cost $250,000 as opposed to $375 across the road. And because my hair was already short and I just wanted a little bit cut off. Also, another girl washed and conditioned my hair, and then Mrs. Matahari, after she finished cutting it, she said, "Do you want it blow waved?" And I thought, "Yeah, why not?" So she quickly blow waved it, and so $250,000, and it's just near the roundabout in Sanur at the southern end. If you're looking for it and you need a haircut, and she was busy. We had to wait an hour, so we went to the fire station and listened to some great music and had a bintang. Hour later, went back, and in I got. So just keep that in mind that I did go to one of the more expensive salons about 12 months ago here, and which is why I ended up with short hair, but the worst haircut I've ever had in my whole life. So if you're looking for somewhere, head on to Matahari near the roundabout, just around the corner from Jalan Chamara. Also, she did give me a business card, and her name is Wayan, not Mrs. Matahari. And after she finished blow waving my hair, she did this like neck and shoulder massage. I was going, oh, so nice. I could have sat there for another hour having that done, but yeah, so it was good value for $25. And I mean, it probably looks terrible now because I'm all hot and sweaty, but it looked really nice when she did it. And just keep it in mind, if you're looking for a hairdresser, you don't need to go to one of the fancy salons along Jalan Danau Tamblingen or Jalan Danau Poso or Chamara or anywhere else. Also, change of topic, we had laundry done in our hotel and thought that was probably going to be expensive, but we went to pick it up this afternoon for both of us. Big pile of washing from the whole week, $5. So, and as usual, came back all perfectly ironed and smelling beautiful, and yeah, they did a great job. So you can shop around for your laundry, but we didn't mind paying $5, that was fine. We had 2 kilos of washing and it was $2.50 a kilo. A lot of people say, oh, we get ours done for $1.50 and $1.70, whatever. It was $2.50 a kilo. We didn't have to lug it down to a laundry and go and pick it up and lug it back again. It was all delivered to our hotel. So for $5, good value.